Hello everyone! As many of you know the importance of digital marketing nowadays, digital marketing is a form of marketing through which we can advertise to people using social media platforms, search engines, mobile applications, and emails. There are many key components and strategies of digital marketing, like email marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, and branding, Google Analytics, and SEO or search engine optimization. What is SEO? SEO is the practice of optimizing our websites to improve their visibility on search engine. So the different parts of our website will rank for different search terms like Google. The first thing, we need to understand which parts of our website should rank for what. There is a curiosity intent and purchase intent. Someone with a curiosity intent should be sent to articles, but someone with purchase intent should be sent to product page. Second important thing, we need to find out what people are searching for so that we can create content about what potential visitor is interested in. So for example, if we know that there are 1 to 10,000 people who are interested in skincare products, so that we need to know how to investigate these specific keywords in order to see if our newly website will have any chance on ranking for it. When we start practicing SEO, we will find out that our top competitors have a page authority and domain authority, which is very weak, but still they are ranking on the first page. That means even if we have a brand new website, we still have an opportunity to rank for this keyword. And when we know that we have an opportunity to rank for this keyword, we need to create content about it. And then we will get a completely optimized website that now can rank for this keyword. Another important thing when you start learning about SEO is backlinks. What is backlink? Backlink is when another website is linking to your website. So every single link that you have from another site linking to your website is seen as a vote of confidence. So you can imagine if there are multiple websites that are trying to rank for the same keyword. So the website that has the most votes, or meaning the most backlinks, is most likely to rank on top. This is why it's so important to start making friends within your niche, cooperate with them, and get backlinks from them. And it's one of the most effective ways when you start ranking for your keywords. It's one of the most effective ways to quickly start to rank better for all your keywords. And you should also be noted that not all links from other websites are worthwhile. Search engines are clever. So for example, since we are selling, let's say, beauty products, and our website is about gaming, so this is gonna be seen as a low quality backlinks in the eyes of search engines. So gathering high quality backlinks is so important for us to start ranking better for our keywords, which means more traffic. Please like, share, subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.